1944 Army Jeep.
Visibility currently 4 meters below the thermocline, northeast wind at 8 knots. We are holding steady near the wreck site.
We are working hard to entertain you, so please subscribe to our channel.
Corner 1, maintain bearing. We have visual confirmation of separation.
Ascent rate steady at 2 meters, bags holding pressure.
Bring it in slowly. Watch the starboard side.
Get those cameras ready!
All right, easy up, Doctor. We've got you. Watch the ladder, Marcus. Get this around you now.
The Ford script is perfectly preserved here.
Yes, and the data plate is legible. Make sure to document the weld seams before we move it. Bring it starboard slowly while you stern cradle. Oh!
The lifting bags require precise pressure regulation, especially considering the depth of the wreck site.
And what
Center point aligned. David, what's the clearance at the rear?
45 millimeters.
Roger that. Keep lowering slowly.
Careful there, near the strap. Try angling the chisel just slightly lower.
We are working hard to entertain you, so please subscribe to our channel.
Are the cross-member stamps legible now?
Yes, the electrolysis bath cleared them right up. We've logged the data.
We need more rivets on station 4.
Keep that line moving. We've got a quota to hit.
All right, this one's ready to move out.
The voltage is steady and the blackout spec is met.
Perfect. The blend of utility and integrity is seamless.
The GPW is in excellent condition. We'll proceed with the long-term monitoring strategy as planned.
Confirmed, Elena. The environmentals are stable across the board.
Elena, the recovery process for this particular vehicle must have been incredibly challenging.
It took years of
The key was to preserve the Jeep's history, not erase it. The stabilized rust you see tells the story of the landing 80 years ago.
James, I finally found it. There it is.
How does seeing the actual vehicle change your understanding of the manufacturing scale during the war?
It's crazy how complex the engine was.
Exactly. Notice the standardized parts.
Post 1, all quiet.
How does the 20% look now, Elena?
It feels right. The blue accent really sells the blackout lights.
What can this object tell us that documents cannot? It shows the weather mattered, not just battles.
The disturbance area is clearly delineated here.
Why require a full 10 by 10 meters for recovery?
That margin ensures the ROV's safe operation.
The Jeep went over, and the sound it made hitting the water I'll never forget. Like a church bell falling downstairs.
We are working hard to entertain you, so please subscribe to our channel.
reduction binning. As you can see on the slide, the electrolytic reduction protocols were central to the Jeep project. This
We must remember the Jeep that never got to fight and the storm that changed history for so many.
Did we confirm the date for the storm?
Yes, March 1944. It's accurate according to the archival research.
All right, lads, pull together now. Got it. Tire off. Watch your foot there.